Nothing captures the military's attention like combat. The NATO-led mission in Libya is no different. Here at the Paris Air Show, UK Royal Air Force Typhoon pilots talk about Libya, which marks the aircraft's first engagement for ground attacks in war. The missions have been long and tough. The 11th Squadron, for example, has been flying since late March from Italy, averaging 84 operational hours per month. We talked with BAE Systems test pilot Nat Makepeace about the Typhoon's current and future capabilities. The former U.S. Air Force test pilot flew the Typhoon in the flying display at Farnborough 2010.
We've got Paveway 4, which is the latest generation weapon for the Royal Air Force initially, and we have already done flight trials. In fact, I dropped the first one from a Typhoon about 2 or 3 months ago. And then on the other wing, we've got Paveway 2 and Enhanced Paveway 2, which are weapons that are currently in service today with the Royal Air Force on operations in North Africa. We use test ranges off Wales, and often there is also we deploy anywhere else all over the world as well, various different locations. But the majority of our stuff is done in-house, and we get allocated a proportion of the testing in the same way that the manufacturing is split and allocated around the 4 nations.
Precision-guided weapons power the multinational effort in Libya. In fact, a French officer says that only precision-guided bombs and missiles have been delivered. Early on, the UK and France used Storm Shadows and Scalp EG cruise missiles to engage high-value targets. The RAF has been employing the Enhanced Paveway 2, and UK submarines contributed as well. The US fired more than 200 Tomahawk cruise missiles. Libya missions are boosting the standing of 2 other weapons. RAF Tornado GR4s rely heavily on the dual-mode Brimstone. The 2-seeker weapon brings the accuracy needed to minimize risk in the cluttered combat zone. The UK has been using Brimstone so heavily that it shifted some from Afghanistan to Libya. Among the French, the AASM air-to-ground missile attracts attention. A 250-kilogram GPS-guided version is used by French military Dassault Rafales. So is a version with an infrared seeker. New versions of AASM are being planned, and industry officials believe a smaller version will gain traction. Beyond AASM, other missile makes look to benefit from the demand for precision weapons. Israel Aerospace Industries shows its new medium-weight laser-guided bomb, or MLGB, here. Weighing in at 150 kilograms, the MLGB targets the growing light attack aircraft market. And Raytheon announced plans here to reintroduce its 250-pound Paveway version. It's currently being tested on the Hawker Beechcraft AT-6 and other counterinsurgency craft.